Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Boss Street Lagos. Today we are going to be taking you over a company CWG PLC, which closed yesterday at 6 naira 20 kobo. Jonas, hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Victor. Good to be here.
Great to have you here again. So we're saying CWG closed at 6 naira 20 kobo yesterday, 20th of November. It has a 52-week range of 4 naira 85 kobo to 9 naira 35 kobo. Interestingly, it traded above 2 million shares yesterday, and its average 3-month volume is at also above 2 million. Its market capitalization is 15 billion. Its price to earnings is 28. Its earnings per share is 22 kobo. It's a dividend paying stock paying 16 kobo with a dividend yield of 2.58%. What do you think about that, Jonas?
First off, I'd like when you start bringing in all these metrics, we need to let the people know what CWG is all about and what they do. They're a computer and office equipment stock listed in the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and then they also specialize in cloud computing and um, equipment selling. So recently, we've had the boom in the cloud computing industry, and as such,
Yes.
this is a stock I think is worthy of note, and we should actually take a look at them and see how the global space affects the Nigerian space. So, can we do a
Yeah.
deep dive to CWG a bit?
Yes, we can. And also taking into account that there's a number of companies shifting to the domestic cloud companies as a result of the value of Naira. So a lot of companies now are looking to use domestic cloud computing services like CWG. So over here,
Yeah.
we look at the 3-month charts, and we see a choppy pattern within it in a narrow band of 6.5 naira to 5 naira. So I think we should look at a longer time frame to get more insights. What do you think, Jonas?
I think so too. So looking at the 6 month, we see a dip at 6 point. Please go down to the dip at yes at 5.3 naira, and then it went up to about 8, and then it dropped again to that same level, 5 point something. So maybe looking at a longer time frame would give us more insight. Let's look at the
Right.
1 year.
Yes, the 1 year. So from here, I think we are starting to notice a pattern. There's a peak here of 9 naira 35 kobo, and then it went down again, and then another high of 7 naira 5 kobo, and it went down. Then another high of 8 naira 45 kobo, which we saw in the previous chart, and then it's staying within the 6 naira levels. So I think we could look at the 2-year chart to get more insights on this stock.
Yes, looking at the 2 year charts produces another story entirely, where it went really high from 0 to about 9, and then the current trend shows us, gives us a band of 9 down to 5, back to 8, and then down to 5 or 6, but it has never gone below 5 naira. Um, judging by the 1 year um
Time
1 year
frame.
period time frame, yes. So I think it might likely go back to 9 again if we look based on what we see on the trend. Yeah.
Yes, we notice a multiple tops. So there's a top here, there's a top here, there's a top here, there's a top here. So judging by this pattern, we think we could see a repeat and there could be another top incoming.
Yeah.
So, and
I think
I
we should
think,
take a look at the fundamentals so we'd see the progress of this stock so far, like the
yeah, I
income
could show
statement.
you the income statement. Yeah, exactly. So in the last 5 years, we've seen their net income grow from 43 billion to 295 billion. Then in 2021 went to 320 billion, 2022 541 billion, and then 2023 574 billion. So Jonas, I think that 2024 they are likely to make more
Make more
profit
profit.
than